Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G52, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access Settings and scroll all the way down. Then select System, click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Over here, tap on Theme and scroll down. Now click on Show More to see all available ones, and when you're ready, just click on the best theme for you, tap on this switcher next to keyboarders to manage them, and click on Apply. When I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into the same settings, swipe up and tap on this plus icon under my themes instead. Then select photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Select Next, adjust brightness by swiping left or right, tap on Done, and finally manage keyboarders by tapping on this switcher. Lastly, choose Apply and go back. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!